Hello humans, Seyeren here, and in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Laneige's Mini Pore Waterclay Mask. What? So if you are new to this channel, hi, my name's Seyeren. I am a 27-year-old online beauty advisor. I'm also an entertainer, performer, and I just recently went back to school to get my psychology and music therapy degree. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you end up liking this video at the end, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and tap that bell to see when I put new videos out every Wednesday and Saturday. So if you're new to this channel, you might not know what kind of content I do. I usually like to focus on music and beauty. So I like to do covers, I like to do dance choreography, I also like to write my own music, I rap, I sing, and then I like to review beauty products, I like to do makeup looks, and just kind of experiment in the skincare and beauty world, because when I was younger, I didn't necessarily like makeup all that much, I didn't care that much about my skin, and as I've gotten older, I've learned to care more and more about it. Now, as I said earlier, I'm an online beauty advisor for BeautyTap.com. So what that means is you can go on the BeautyTap.com website, you can sign up, add me as your green guru, and I can give you a free 30-minute consultation. We can talk about any skincare or beauty concerns you might have, and I can find you products that really work for your skin. Now, obviously, seeing this right off the bat, you see this big pimple and you think, do I really want to take the advice of someone who has a giant pimple on their face? Now, the only reason that I have been breaking out a lot lately is pandemic, quarantine. Everyone's freaking out. So getting a little bit of extra acne, a little bit of extra sebum buildup in your skin isn't really a surprise when the world is kind of going through a crisis right now. So if you're getting a little bit more acne than you're used to, if you're kind of down in the dumps on it, don't feel discouraged, don't feel alone. We're all going through it, as proof on my face. Another reason why I have been breaking out a lot is because I have been using a lot of different products. I'm giving you guys the best information and the best results. Now, I have used this 2 times before. The only reason I haven't used it a lot is because I have super sensitive skin. I'm allergic to jewelry. I, have to be super careful about even the underwear I wear because I break out over everything. And when I first used this, I put it all over my face and I let it sit for like 30 minutes. That's where I messed up. You know what I just realized? I didn't tell you guys about my sick headband. I love it. It's very adorable. I can wear it out and about going to the store if I just want to put my hair back, or it can be a cute accessory for any sleepover or spa night. The headband I also got it off of BeautyTap. It's under the Etude House tab. I'll put the link in the description below if you guys want to get one and match with me on our skincare and self-care Wednesdays. I mean, look at this. Look at how cute the little ears are. Okay, but it's adorable. This is the Laneige Mini Pore Waterclay Mask. Now, I've always been a little weary with clay masks because I don't know if it's the clay necessarily, but I think it's the drying that really irritates my skin. I'm not 100% sure if there's a certain chemical or maybe just the act of leaving it on my skin for too long. It makes me completely break out. Now, I wore this to test it out, and when I did that, my entire face went red. I washed it off after 30 minutes. If you read the instructions, it says to only wear it for 8. So that was my first mistake. And B, I put it all over my face instead of focusing on problem areas like pimples or your T-zone where you're really gonna get that sebum buildup. I put it all over my face, which isn't necessarily smart for someone with combination skin because you have certain dry patches on your face. So you just want to really work it into the spots on your face where you have the most irritation. And when I washed it off, you could literally see the line of where the mask was and where the skin is that didn't have any on it. It was so bad. It was so red, so irritated. And I'm like, I hate this product. I'm never going to use it. Why would I do a video on it? But then I realized, maybe I should go read the instructions. Maybe I should double check, because on the actual package, there's really nothing in English. It's all in Korean. So you open it up, and this is what the package looks like. It's really pretty, very sleek. It looks really nice on your counter. And every good skincare routine has at least one clay mask in it. Now this comes with a little pamphlet that kind of tells you a little bit about everything. It says to concentrate it in your T-zone, which I wish I would have listened to that. So I'm gonna put this stuff on my face right here in front of you guys, just so you can see how it reacts to my skin. See if the pimple looks somewhat reduced after. It comes with this neat little sponge that you soak it in water, and right now it's hard, but once you soak it in water, it gets really soft, and it really helps take it right off, because that's the issue with clay masks. I find a lot of times once it's dried completely, it's so hard to take off, and you're sitting there scrubbing it off with a cloth, and it's really bad for your skin. It's 70 milliliters. This thing's gonna last you forever, especially if you only use it like I do as a spot treatment, and it suggests to only use it 1 to 2 times a week. So it's 1,400 milligrams of mineral-rich mud from the Yellow Sea, which helps absorb the excess sebum in your skin, helps clarify and tighten your pores for a softer, smoother skin appearance. It dries very quickly. It's good for oily skin or when you have breakouts. So you want to use this product after you cleanse and after you tone your face, because the toner is really going to help absorb all of the nutrients from the clay. Now when you open it up, it's a really nice watery consistency. It goes on really smooth and it dries super quick. So we're just gonna put a little on my trouble areas. Oh, and some right on my forehead. It does go on nice and smooth. So I'm just getting on in there. Getting on in there. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna stop there because I don't want to put it all over my face. I'm gonna let it dry, and in 8 minutes I'll come back and I'll take it off and I'll let you guys see how it comes off. Okay guys, I'm back and I'm going to take it off my face. I know it's not fully dried yet, but I don't want to leave it on any longer and irritate my skin. But as you can see, with this sponge, it comes off quite easily. I'm really not rubbing hard at all. Just making sure I'm getting it all off. And as you can see, my skin isn't irritated from it. It's not upset, because I didn't leave it on as long. Getting the nose is always like the most awkward part, because you gotta get right on in there. And I'm not gonna lie to you, the irritation and the swelling definitely looks a little bit less than it did in the beginning of the video. I don't know, maybe that's just me. You guys let me know in the comments below if you see a difference after one treatment. I'm not sure, maybe just a little bit less redness and irritation. But yep, as you can see, my skin isn't super irritated. Like, you can see that there is a little bit of redness where the clay mask was. I think there might be a chemical in it, or maybe just leaving it on the skin too long and it irritates. That's my review of the Laneige Mini Pore Water Clay Mask. If I had to rate it, I'd probably give it a 6.5. I'll give it a 6.5. Now, that doesn't sound like the best rating in the world. I'm just not a fan of clay masks. I have not been able to find one that A, doesn't irritate my skin, or B, just doesn't feel like it doesn't do anything, because either it, does too much to where my skin is breaking out and red and irritated, or it does nothing, and it's like, why am I wasting my money on this product? I have the link for this product in the description below. Make sure to follow me, Green Guru, when you sign up for BeautyTap, and I will have all of the information that you can ever need in the description below. Again, my name is Seyeren, and thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe, tap that bell, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. You know, why not? Because I really appreciate when you guys do that. I will see you guys in the next video. Stay weird.